Who's guy soup? Mama cooking. Right, give me that list now. How are you doing? Well, let me eat now. Food. The baby just talk I don't want to talk. My wife, my potassium. Oh, honey, I see my carry this one today. See my wife cook soup. Who's guy soup? Mama cooking. Oh, boy, soup. Pepper not there. Pepper dey my own wife. Maggie dey oh. Oh, the hot oh. Honey, my wife. Honey, I love you. I got you. Sama. So, who meat oh? Who enough meat oh? Enough meat. My go on here. Wait, I might drop pot. Might tell you what I get for mine for you. See,
wait,
don't do
this is turkey.
Guys, my wife Oni, that list. Write your list now. Right, give me that list now. The list not there yet.
Wash my hands first before I.
Oni, I love you forever. I got you today. I got you tomorrow. I got you next tomorrow.
Wash your
I got you.
bonnet.
Hi, my wife. My wife say my husband. Other men get side beers, you not get.
Not be me, are you?
I go cook soup, we go make your side beers grow. Now say, my wife, not worry. Now God they give side beers, now God they take side beers.
This is side beers when they always eat. Still, when they eat the food, it never still grow.
I want to eat this.
Guys, this is fresh pounded yam.
I
can pound it.
Pound it, egg boom.
Come and join us. Probably I've been swimming for this egusi since last night.
My wife, my potential. My wife, oh God, I love this woman. I thank God say I go marry that day. Thank God. My friend come in, I won't tell you. My friend come and say, not marry. Most
Messi, somebody say enjoy life more.
He say more than suburb. Because say no. If I leave this woman now, who will my life be? Backward. You bring me confront. I got you.
What's it be that your friend there? I won't go fight her.
Piro!
Peter!
Piro! I can't name.
Peter! What they call me is?
Bad advice. Now he advised me badly.
All those your husband or your fiancé friend when they always
I go to expose all my friends now. If I see food now, I know get secret.
Avoid them.
Ask me another question. I don't want to get secret for you again. Just give me food. Ask me any question. I will tell you.
Okay.
Now Peter. Piro.
Mafia address Peter first.
I love my wife now.
Peter. After you don't call me Iyawo finish. Iyawo, it's too fine. No, baby, if you see this black beauty, but that's how I find now. I don't find again.
Ask me any question.
So, Piro, after we don't go drink pepper soup together, eat agidi and pepper soup together. I don't know say you don't tell my husband say you don't marry me. My hand cash.
You say don't go, not marry him. No, both days of bubble. I have seen this food chop.
Oh yeah, you tell ask me any question.
Ask me, I won't tell you one. You don't ask me, I won't tell you. After when you call me one day on man, when you say, my friend, help me bring this to come. Why I can't say, not there, forget that. You
did, don't let the life for me.
You did. Anything you want, I know they get secret to do it.
That's why you never know say you go marry me. You can't feel say I go take them.
I don't know now. Don't know. Nah. I don't know. Ask me.
That £5,000. What you say? You lost. What you say I give?
My uncle.
Your uncle?
It's your uncle takes a bubble. I go ask for my wife. I don't open anything.
I don't talk too much. I made them not go drive me. Come on.
I don't get secret on you.
Your uncle, no
anything. I want to expose myself now because you they cook. Now woman when they cook, they expose self for. Every woman when they cook, I go expose yourself for.
I want to ask you another thing now.
Ask me. I want to tell you one. That number was in my phone. Why I say, I don't know why they call me. I know why they call me. I'm my ex-girlfriend.
But why now?
We chat. Now give me my number. I say if you call Nigeria, we'll see.
Okay. This one. That girl when come out that the way you can tell me, ma go meet mommy for room. Say the girl now I'm clean. I want to pick me your room. Now who you be?
My girlfriend.
Which of your girlfriend?
What did I do? Let me eat now. What?
Hey, they go.
You ask me a question, I answer you. No wish I need
not
to
do. No.
What did I can't say wrong there now? What did I say wrong? You get problem. You different from other women. Now mistake. Now they say, would you marry me? Mistake. I make no. You know if you try this one. What did I say wrong now? You ask me question, I answer. Because I love you. Now I can't be trouble. I'll eat.
What did I remember when you tell me say You want to clean your room. You want to raise the bed up. Make for clean the room for you.
Now my friend, no, we don't get anything.
And you didn't really pay me. But why you tell me I was staying with me for inside room?
Now my friend, we don't get anything.
No, what?
What did I tell you when you ask me now?
It's not your girlfriend.
Me? Tell you she's not my girlfriend.
I think so.
Nah, lie you. I said that my friend. I don't know when I come talk down.
Okay.
We say about the eat food and the get problem.
I know what that is.
Not ask me any question about the eating. You know, say I don't know what they are come talk.
Go on, want to.
You want to ask me again? Go inside the chop. I know they get secret.
Go on, want to.
Okay.
Now the way you call me saying, you dey for roundabout. Your money don't finish, transportation don't finish for you to come my house. Man say you 7,000 naira. Not truth.
I want the money goes to Obo.
That's all.
What did I do now?
Stand up.
Why you there? Ask me because of food. Why you there? What did I say? What did I say wrong now?
Guys, I don't give her any food after I don't beg me finish. Then I eat. Eat now.
Because that food matter. I'm not supposed to eat this food.
Yes, sorry. Shaki. Yeah, eat. Open another cell. Fufu wabinato. But you get one question I want to ask. Yeah, eat.
They use food, they get everything what they say inside my heart. They use food, they make me the talk, which I'm not supposed to talk.
Yeah, take coconut. You tell the question, you know talking. But yeah, eat now.
They use food, they enter inside my heart. I will tell you what I'm not supposed to tell you. Yeah. After you take it serious.
Take, I'm not taking serious again. I'm not taking serious again. You don't want to question one answer. You don't want to talk again.
No, they use food. They make me to talk which I don't want to talk. After you say, and then who be that girl? Who be that girl? Who be that girl?
I'm not one answer. Okay. You get what I want to ask you. You must talk. You get what I want to ask you.
No, I'm not the eat again. They ask me questions. They use food. You want to use food. You hear everything when they inside my heart. I don't want to eat. Eat the food yourself.
I sorry, come.
No.